So I did all the framing on the balloon walls. Tough to see because it's dark. There we go. It's this wood that I framed out. This wood here I framed out on 4 big windows. We got to put the board up on here next. Boards go here. We got 20 packs. So tell me again, how many boards? 120 boards. So there's 6 in each pack. She moved all of these boards. I would have done it myself, except my back is not good. I'm moving all of these boards here. This is the old barn wood. Hoping we have enough for the balloon wall. I think we will. Stacking them over there for now. I'm gonna hand them up to Virginia. And I'll take out the lighter ones, but some of these are really heavy and I know I can't lift them. There's the eagle, and he or she is fighting vehemently with these crows. There's one of them. They're like dive bombing the eagle. They're enemies, if this isn't evidence of it. They're bomb diving the eagle. That's kind of where the crows live, down at this end. The eagle is upstream from them, so I'm not sure what the eagle's doing. Maybe it's gone over there and stole its eggs. You think the eagle would leave? Nope. He's just guarded, but he's not afraid of them. Quite a majestic bird. I don't know where the crow's nest is, but it might be close. It's 16 packs. What do you think it weighs? 30, 40, she's guessing. There's one more. So if these weigh 40 pounds, 40 times 20. Yep. 800 pounds you just lifted? Wow. Well, even if it's 30. No, that's not right. Yeah. Gotta think about that one. Duh. So I am putting up the balloon wall while Virginia and I are doing this together, and it is tricky. But I'm gonna pan around so you can see from this height the loft. Looks pretty good. This wall is done. We have the middle to do and that side. So this side is now done. And now the whole thing is done. It's hard to see with the light in the background. Sorry. Starting with the poplar walls. The tiny bathroom is now done. We sided this all with 100-year-old barn wood. So it's done. I put the lamp up. Gotta check it though, because it's not working right. Putting these switches and outlets all set up. And the next thing to do, I think I'm gonna do the sink cabinet first. Sorry about the lights. Sink cabinet first, and then put the toilet in, because I think the toilet would be in the way if I did that first. I can put the flange in, this thing. Put that in. And then this blue thing that goes inside of that. But I won't put that on until I get the toilet ready to go on. The light to work. I gotta put a cover on that switch. That's for the fan up there. Backsplash is done. I added molding and shelving and molding here. I'll probably end up doing some caulk back there. Gotta fill that with caulk. Anyway, and all the way around here. The shelf will go in here, so you'll never see that crack right there. And there's the sink that I'm putting in here. Probably have 3 hours into this so far. Finally made the decision to get a ladder with a shelf on it, because the other one was not easy to use. Okay, either Virginia's gonna get up there or I'm gonna get up there on the scaffolding and work on the rest. We'll see. Nope. No 2x4s? That's really nice. From on top of the scaffolding, this is the look. Ten-footer, please.
You like that?
Okay. We're doing a test run to see if this piece I just cut follows the contour of the ceiling.
It does. It's a little out.
What do you mean out? Should be shorter?
Yeah, not so wide.
So maybe 3. Because it's 3 1/4 right now. Gotcha. So I'll make it 3. Will 3 do it, you think? I'll reset it and try it again. Stay up there. There you go. There you go. It just went in. Don't hit too. That'll leave marks. That rubber mallet leaves marks, so get it flat, not on the edge. Looks good.
So where am I nailing it?
At the top.
Up here?
Yeah. Because there's a 2x4 on the other side of that. That looks great. Seamless. One wall done. Yeah, happy about that. We went with hemlock. We went with poplar. So tomorrow we'll frame out the windows, put molding on them. So that's 1, 2. I'll put the lights in up top. And maybe the chandelier light that's going to go over there, right where Virginia's standing, right there. We're done for the day.